What's up guys, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. Today we're going to be continuing our how to platformer tutorial, and this will be part 2. Now, as you may notice, our script works perfectly well, as I have explained in our last tutorial. However, you may notice that the script is very long, and the slope detection is very inefficient. Takes up a lot of space. So, how will we combat this? Well, instead of using this very bulky way, we're going to use a loop. Let's just disconnect this part and drag in the collision script in here. Clip it together, and we're going to trash our old slope detection. Save now. Instead, we're going to make a variable, call it slope, for the sprite only. Click on OK, hide that, set slope to 0 at the beginning. Great. Now, we're going to say if touching level, then I'm going to repeat until not touching level, or slope equals to -8. We are going to change slope by -1. So basically this will repeat 8 times, right? Because, -1 times 8 equals -8. And then we're also going to change y by 1. So basically the same thing, but contained in a loop. Now, we're just going to put this in here, right after the set slope to 0 block, and we're going to connect everything else. And here you see, if touching level, then change y by -8. Instead, we're going to change y by slope, because after 8 times, if it's still not touching the level, then slope will equal to -8, right? So changing y by -8 will be the same as changing slope. Just looks better. So you see now, it has no effect on our script. It still works really well, and we have basically reduced the amount of blocks we need. Only 70 blocks. That's pretty good. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 3.